Did you know that incorporating certain nuts into your diet can not only satisfy your snack craving but also significantly help manage your blood sugar levels? While many believe nuts are too high in fats for our diabetic diet, the truth is quite opposite. Today we will discuss best nuts for diabetics and show how the right nuts can be game changer for managing your blood sugar levels and promoting overall health. Almonds. Almonds are not just any snack, they are superfood for anyone managing diabetes. Almonds are a great option for maintaining heart health because they are high in fiber, healthy fats and essential nutrients. If you have diabetes, the fiber and almond can help you feel fuller for longer, support your digestive system. Almonds can actually help you maintain a steady blood sugar level that's to their knob for regulating insulin and improving insulin sensitivity. But hold on, don't go nuts just yet. Moderation is key. Walnuts. Walnuts are notable for having a high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for managing diabetes and cardiovascular health. People with diabetes are more likely to develop cardiovascular disease, and including walnuts in their diet can help lower the risk. Walnuts have been extensively studied for their role in promoting heart health, making them an ideal nut for people with diabetes who are at increased risk of cardiovascular disease. However, when incorporating walnuts into our diabetic diet, it's important to practice portion control and consume them in the appropriate amount. Pistachios. Pistachios are a popular nut known for their vibrant green color, unique taste, and numerous health benefits, especially for those who have diabetes, as their high protein content makes them a perfect snack to help control blood sugar levels, encourage fullness sensations, and aid with weight control. Pistachios are a heart-healthy nut option for people with diabetes because they are low in saturated fat. Pistachios have a low glycemic index of 15, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood glucose level, making them an excellent choice for blood sugar control. The glycemic response to pistachios consumption has been found to be lower compared to high glycemic index such as white bread. Cashew. Cashew are not only delicious but also offer health benefits, especially for individuals with diabetes. They are a good source of magnesium, a mineral that play a role in insulin sensitivity and blood glucose management. Consuming cashew regularly can contribute to improved insulin resistance, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Additionally, the high and saturated fat content of cashews support heart health, making them a heart-healthy nut choice for individuals with diabetes. How cashews can stabilize blood sugar. Cashews have been found to have a positive impact on blood sugar levels, making them suitable for individuals with diabetes. Hazelnuts. Their delightful taste and texture are not only a delicious nut but also packed with antioxidants, including vitamin E. Antioxidants are essential for reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which play a role in the development and progression of diabetes complications. Hazelnuts' high content of antioxidant contribute to lower risk factor for diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and other chronic illness, including hazelnuts in the diabetes diet. Provides various health benefits, making them an excellent nut choice for individuals with diabetes. Which of the nuts we discussed today are you most excited to incorporate into your diet? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.